Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Sheets view only on Android. So here I've already opened the Google Sheets apps on my phone, and these are the list of my Google Sheets file. So just select the file that you want to change its access to view only. So just long press on it, then here just click on the manage access option. Okay, so in here, to change to the view only, you can just change the general access. Here click on change from restricted, click on this, and here just if the link if the file is anyone with the link, here you can just change the role or set the role as only as viewer, so that when the other people open the file, they can only view this file, not edit it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.